You have to catch the starting point. So the Queen of Jamaica is here, family.
Hi, good morning.
And we're heading up Jam Tours. We're here.
Big Up Jam Tours, taking us on a road trip to. Is who that? Big Up Jam Tours, taking us on a road trip to Mount Kenya to see Mount Zion.
Yes.
So follow us.
Follow us. Come with us and join us.
Join us as we
go.
Greetings to you, mister. Greetings to you, sister. See, I knew it. We were going to be dressed alike today.
Me alone dress up in a white. Yeah, family. So let's go.
I'm glad they pick you up. They don't say, yeah, come out of my bedroom.
Family, so we're actually filling up the tank.
Yeah.
Made that 2 bar.
Oh, yeah, narrow down.
So what? 6,000.
The service road, I guess.
Full, just full it up till it run over. Full it till it run over. Drop it in.
You sure, sir? I put you a drop it in.
A petrol, right? Blood clot.
Huh?
Yeah, man, a petrol. It's unleaded and diesel over there, so.
Yeah, because the thing is that the difference with here and over on our side.
Yeah,
these
are
bigger.
Bigger, yeah. So it's only.
So you can't make no mistake.
You can't make no mistake.
But here, everything.
But
like
here,
same,
we're seeing them because I think this are the outskirts, so you know they chuck them.
No, anywhere, even in a thing there.
Yeah.
Even in a Nairobi, I same thing.
Okay.
6,000
money?
Yeah, no, buy goods.
Yep, buy.
Yeah, buy goods there, so. When you download the app, Bridget, there's an app, you know.
No, Wbesite.
What you say about the morning sun? The morning sun, nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, but yeah, family. So they are wait upon them. You want them way, and some peace and some love and some sunlight with Jam Tours Africa.
Our day here, and we're just enjoying the life in Kenya. Kenya is amazingly beautiful. I mean, the road in Kenya are amazing too. Yes, we don't have no potholes. There's no potholes in the road, which is nice, and you don't have to drive like this, you know. So that's a nice experience.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
So the washroom is over there, so if no one is the washroom, we can.
Something is in my eye.
Yeah, family. So it's a morning vibes, and what we're doing, we're not eating anything. We're fasting until we reach Mount Kenya, family. We're fasting. We're not eating anything. All we're gonna drink is water. Yeah. So we're fasting. I'm gonna use the restroom, and then we go.
I'm just saying that money. I'll go to the gun range.
Yeah, family. So there I get some sun bath while we wait and record them, family. So let's go. I see my room up. If supposed to can't keep up, man. I'm like, yo.
I must fly on a flight.
No,
Yo, we get head up uno. I must come in for a landing. How do we reach us so quick? John was there.
Yeah. Blood clot.
I'm out.
Yeah. Yeah.
No star.
We hear sound of leave. Kill him, man. Yeah, what's up?
We reached there before. Bridget, that's yo, with the weird head of Uno.
Yeah, family, so we meet up.
Oh my God. White boots, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Yo, no break the rule, man. No eating until we reach Mount Kenya. Fast, we fast. Yeah, man, that's good. That good. Yeah. Oh, two-way? Which way the easier way? Maybe we can follow you there now, what?
We can follow you, but you have to cover 50 kilometers.
Oh, it's hey, I might drive, yeah.
1 minute weird, so then there's Z-Tech.
I guess what? He made a turn. I swear the people was going to turn over. That's prejudice.
That's the only key out there, no matter what. The only time I helicopter, there's no way. So you want to know which road you drive, but
No, man, we just, yeah, man, the road good, man, the road good.
Yeah, one white shirt, we could have wearing our t-shirt.
Yeah, but you told us at the last minute. And it looks so nice now.
Everybody should.
Yeah.
I will look and see me in white and hear my talk. I mean, I say, really?
see the battle of you get the information we share my shirt.
I'm all alone, me never tell still, you know, because me call him, me tell him, I never tell, me tell them too, yeah, but you know, a female them.
But like that.
Like them now really, you can't make it.
Like,
Changing like
I'm upset.
If we'd have all Jamaicans here now, you know, that'd be so good.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's
Seven Jamaica.
Post that group, see you.
Seven Jamaica would be a lucky number. Seven Jamaicans would be a lucky number.
Right. There you go. Mean completion.
Completion, yeah.
But I think the most popular way is Neri.
Oh, Neri.
Neri is where a lot of these kikuyas come from. But we could also go up to Meru. Mountain. So what we do?
I don't think I can drive around the mountain. That'd be very good.
That's nice.
Yes. Alright, so we're gonna go Neri. Go past Neri.
I'm so excited.
And then go around the mountain and come back to Meru.
Yeah, perfect.
Alright, there.
Yes.
So Del Monte, they're right as well. And all of these are pineapples.
Oh wow, pineapple that's so?
Pineapple.
Yeah. Wow.
It's nice here.
Oh, it's big. Yeah.
Kikuyu country now.
Yeah.
From here to the mountain is pure Kikuyu.
Yeah.
All this land.
All this land, yeah.
Bantus in all of this. It's a Bantus.
Yeah.
Bantu nation.
Yeah.
Bantu nation.
The greener side, Jah give us the greener side from Congo, come straight down.
Oh wow.
The greener side is for Bantu people.
Yes.
Alright family, the fertile land.
Alright, so just take time. Only for police up on the road.
Eh?
Really?
You want to see the Jamaica flag? Them not stop with. Yeah, I want to see the Jamaica flag. Yeah, the Jamaica flag can save you, man. I'm telling you, the Jamaica flag can.
I see you in a white, browning and browning.
lunch money.
So what? Come on, man, left something, man. That's going to the camera, you can't, bro. You left something.
When you see somebody, that what they say to you.
But we're going to pass a river called Tana.
Tana, and I know that river is actually in the Bible though. A Tana River. I think our guy go through it already and I tell you about that river. That river, what them say is like they used to like when them sacrifice, the blood is to run down to that river.
Oh really?
Yeah, because when you go here, it's called Tana. But when you're in Ethiopia, the holy lake that the Ark of the Covenant used to be on.
Oh yeah.
Is Lake Tana.
Yeah. And what them saying that the Ark of the Covenant is in Mount Kenya. That's what they're saying. They're saying.
Oh, the Ark of the Covenant?
Yeah, them say, you know, when there was like some war was going on, they move it and bring it there.
But if they miss up, nobody can find it.
Yeah, so
They
you know what I mean?
They find it, but
It's an assumption, and it's good to have these assumptions. Yeah.
they somebody not find the Ark of the Covenant until they return to Christ.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the Ark of the Covenant.
Yeah, family. So let's go. Well, we don't know anyway. You know, say male bathroom always cleaner than female bathroom. So, yeah. Yeah, family. So we're there, and we're gonna go on this spiritual holy journey. Jolly vet in Mount Zion and rule over creation. So we're in Kenya. We're jamming.
We're gonna go to the bathroom and
We jamming in the name of Jah. We jamming. Are we jamming straight from yard? All right, family, let's go. Yeah.
For us to see Africa as a jungle and as this and as that.
Yeah.
So we are not interested in coming here.
Yeah.
And they know also that we have a type of mentality that the Africans here don't have.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
they don't want us coming in with innovative ideas.
Innovators, yeah, yeah.
And aggressive and kicking against the grain and all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bun this and bun that. Because you tell them, so, no, the white man is not good somebody.
On that man, fire upon them.
Say, no, one white people is good. No.
No, yeah.
Man, sometimes you have to talk to some of the Africans and they say, how we have to talk to them?
Don't let me down in the star. Don't let me down, man. Because that's a year like that for no one, you know, bring to all the local village.
Yeah, 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 and
we
stuff,
can
yeah.
Vibes, everybody. Man, but I was in this, man, I'm calling backside to you. Call me bonfire upon it.
We are on the equator.
Yeah.
We're about to hit the equator.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, up so.
Yeah.
This is where God put people.
Yeah. Yeah, the first, yeah.
Near, yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah.
It's near the equator. So this
Stand
is
up
where
on the
God
equator.
meant for human beings to be.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
the resources, the
The water, the climate, everything. Yeah.
Africa is so arid. No, where Africa is arid is because they have done everything in their power to make sure that it's arid.
Yeah.
We're going like Africa with it.
Places like this, truck stops like this.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
from here now, if you keep on this road, you reach Ethiopia.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, this road goes straight to Ethiopia. Straight.
Go Ethiopia.
Uh-huh.
Or you can fuck and go South Sudan.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So this is going to be a major transport.
Mere transport. Ah, okay, yeah.
Kenya is gambling on being a transport hub. Warehouse,
Like
transport, logistics.
Logistic, yeah.
They build all this nice
Infrastructure. Yeah, look at the nice road, family. Look at the trucks there, man. This is the trucks going to Ethiopia or wherever it's going.
This thing good enough.
The cabras.
I find that they don't lay them properly.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
need to put a layer of concrete underneath it.
Oh, yeah. That's so true.
And when one break, you just take it out and replace it.
Replace it, yeah. What are they doing when it get it's sink? You have a fill it up and thing and stuff. Yeah.
But that's what we use on the port of Kingston. This the same thing.
Same thing, but
them have like massive layers of concrete.
concrete,
Same size.
Same size, yeah.
And when you know heavy equipment, then we move.
I move, yeah.
So when a few crack,
Yeah.
in no time, then just move them and replace them.
a restaurant.
But even my estate, as cupboard them use when you look it, you know what I mean? When they wait, the chef.
So now we have to go through and then
A
go
lot
all
of
the way
these
to the back.
building techniques here, they
You
don't
can see it, but you can't just go into it.
lately.
Yeah, it's
But
a good
the
walk.
next set of houses are there.
Sometimes I always mad when I see some buildings like that. They just build this place. It's new, but it look old.
Paint.
Cheap,
They
yeah.
don't mix the cement properly.
finish is not so important to them. Aesthetics not important.
What happened is also, remember these guys, it's one generation.
Yeah.
Many of
Freedom
yeah,
from colonialism.
not just freedom, but even economics.
Mm-hmm.
So they were locked down in the 80s. Most of Africa was locked down until 2000.
Yeah.
So modern Africa is no more than 12, 15 years old.
Yeah, true. That's so true. That modern Africa. Yeah, that's so true.
Well,
Yeah,
you could
it's
say,
very
okay,
young.
Let me start a business here, so let me do something. There's enough infrastructure.
Yeah. So true.
That's what
Yeah.
Europeans and American politicians always say, well, Africa is not going to this or it's not going to that because they don't have the infrastructure. So I'm like, why is it that they don't have the infrastructure? Because you have made sure that they don't. So every time somebody looks to do something, nah, they don't have infrastructure for that. But you can put the infrastructure. Remember what Bob said? Because that's what they tell Bob done, Bob. He white boy, where them are big up as big
Cross
thing and all.
Blackwell.
Blackwell,
Yeah.
Got Blackwell. I said, where you go Africa?
Yeah. That's exactly what him said.
Africa, not the infrastructure. And what Bob said, we'll put the infrastructure in place.
Yeah.
Bob embodied the mindset of a whole lot of diaspora in it.
Yeah.
And Bob said, yeah man, don't worry about
Don't worry about that.
We
We can fix it. Yeah.
And that's something I think sometimes that we can do it, but if they will allow us.
Yeah.
And it can't stop.
We can't stop.
Cannot stop.
It's a force.
What I'm concerned
He's
about
on his
is
way out.
What I'm concerned about is what these leaders will do.
Hug your best white friends now. Give them a hug and say, yo,
And
good to know you.
tell them
Good for know you. Yeah, man.
The freedom power is declining.
Yeah.
China is going to go back to where China was 600 years ago. China was an economic power.
Yeah.
After that, in the days of the Pharaoh, in the days of Mansa Musa, all those places, this is the place where wealth comes from.
Where it come from,
Naturally
yeah.
have to go back.
It naturally have to go, but it can't go nowhere. All the way them take away and take away, it's nothing.
And Europe, back in 600 years ago, was a toilet.
So, yeah.
Of course, the Muslims and teach them that
Yeah.
you and the ass can't be living in the same state.
In the same still.
Build a place.
And the chicken.
Over there says for the asses.
And the chicken.
Over there says for you. And you take a shower.
And this is where you used to shower.
Yeah, you take a shower and thing.
Yeah.
Don't just put on some sweet stuff. Yeah, you're gonna smell like egg savory.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, man, let's roll.
Are you leading us?
Yeah.
All right, we're going near it. Yeah, we're not flying, man.
No, we're not. We're not.
Put that, yo.
No, we were trying to get out of this.
Turn on the turbo, man. Turbo, put on the turbo.
I gotta take it easy.
Take it easy.
So, up here, there's a lot of resorts.
Oh, yeah.
So when you get your money and you have the time, you have places you come camping, river rafting, all of them things. And when the pass them, I'm going to go up on the side. You'll see some of the signs. And then we're headed into the next county is called Muranga County.
Muranga.
Good place to buy land.
Yeah.
Yeah, back here for cheap land. A lot of cheap land. You have a place they call Mutu or something like that. Cheap land is still called Mutu, something like that. So if you're looking for a place, you can get like 5 acres and those things. Close to Nairobi, 2 hours from Nairobi.
2 robots, yeah.
Ideally, you want to be at least 2 hours from Nairobi.
Yeah, that's the least you want to be, yeah. All right, family, so let's roll out. Let's go. Oh, to go around, yeah. Meru.
Meru.
Okay. Alright, perfect.
Just put it in the map.
Family, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to go out, make a circle around the mountain. So we're gonna drive around the mountain, family. So we're gonna take from Meru and go around to Neri and come around. So you know what I mean? Let's do this.
I'm telling them to fuck up. Don't tell them about the Latin not just what they are. What about Amharic and Aramaic and Swahili and all the other African words, the African languages that existed way before the Akan and the Tree?
Exactly.
Yeah. Not about
and the airway and all of this.
Exactly.
Fucked up. Yeah, family, look at the mountain. It has a little thing up there.
Have a body up top there. I mean a peak. Oh yeah, record.
We're gonna mute it.
Don't cut it, man. Oh yeah, go have life without body.
Yeah, it has a thing.
No.
Analyze it, man. I see you working 2 times, my youth. The last one was Deva, my youth. I say, yo, shit.
I say, if you
Imagine.
never crash, I would have shot in my box.
You might have beat up in bumbo clad.
Then I realized I would have.
Yeah, family, so there. How far they know, Howard? We're not that far.
We're not that far, man. We start climb now, so
Start.
we reach Embu.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But we're on the foothills now.
The foothills.
So we pass Muya.
Yeah, Moya, yeah, we get the rice and things. We collect some rice when we come back.
The sweetest rice.
Eh?
We do a rice business.
Yeah, man.
Like what 300 kg, the big bag of rice.
Yeah.
And the whole label and package them.
Packages, eh?
Sell them back.
Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, family, so the Jam Tours Africa. And with the inner
And the journey.
and the journey.
And we go to Mount Zion.
Yes, the holy mountain. This is not in the music no more, it's a reality.
Reality. We are trying it. On the way going, couple car tried to stop us.
Yeah,
Couple of obstacles. Because the mountain is testing us enough. Just the faith to see.
yeah.
If we're really pure.
Pure, yeah.
To be there.
Yeah,
So a lot of challenges coming our way this morning.
yeah,
The car tried to crash in us,
yeah,
overtake us,
Yeah.
trying to run us off the road.
yeah.
We're good still, but we're pure.
Yeah, pure, because we don't eat nothing from morning and we are fast. We don't eat
We're
nothing.
gonna reach there.
Yeah.
We're not fast and nobody business.
Guy Bridget, you leave the
It's a gas station.
Huh?
yeah, we must be to a gas
I wanted
station.
to get some food.
Eh?
No, which bathroom?
Only for bathroom out there. Nature make bathroom out there.
Yeah.
Nature make bathroom.
Yeah, we are on the foothills.
We're at the foothill of Mount Zion. Watch yourself.
Where are we?
We're at the foothill
Yeah,
of Mount Zion,
Yeah.
which is Mount Kenya.
straight
So,
up.
remember that whenever you come to Mount Kenya, you can visit Mount Zion, which is the mountain of Ephraim,
Yes,
Yes, family.
Yeah.
straight up.
Yeah.
Mount of Yah, the Mount of Sununinatinni, the mountain of Tatazambi.
Yeah, family. What Bob Marley say? What Bob Marley say? What Bob Marley say? Al. Jah live in Mount Zion
That's right.
and rule over creation.
That's
We
right.
jamming.
So you sit there and rule over all the creation. Right there.
We jamming in the
At
name of
center
Jah.
of, equator.
Yeah.
Yes. So now you guys know the truth, right? All right, good.
All right, family. We
That's
out.
right. That's
Let's
right.
go.
So now you guys know.
Good time. And we don't make nobody bother with now.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Spirit to come.
Yeah. All right, guys. Let's go. Jam Tours Africa. We're there. Yeah, yeah, family. So we stop at a point here, so. And you can see the water coming from the mountain. All of this. So we're around the mountain. Yeah. I feel the path.
We'll do that, of course. We'll do that.
What do you call this?
Huh? What? Pick you up. Pick you up, huh? Oh, what?
What is that herb?
Oh, you mean the girl?
Shema maca.
Oh.
You know something we just realized? In Jamaica, we have something called acacia.
Yeah.
Acacia, yeah.
Yeah, man, I see him too.
Yeah, man, they call Shema maca.
Yeah, man, and I see him family as well. I see him.
Yeah. Only Mount Zion.
That come in, but.
Just living in Mount Zion and rule over creation. We jamming.
It's like
is alive.
Yeah.
true. Natural water.
Oh, in Meru now, right? Oh, what?
We're just at the border of Meru County now.
Okay.
I want to go over there.
Yeah, people so. But there's
Yeah, family. So we actually at the foot of the mountain where the road cut. As you can see, the water is coming all the way up from the mountain. So we are getting the anointing of Jah, the anointing of the Most High.
Holy water,
Yeah. Yeah, Father. So this is Mount Kenya, the side of Mount Kenya.
It must kind of feel like a.
Yeah. Morass in Jamaica.
You know what you want to say now? Oh my God! No,
Yeah, family. So we're there.
What?
And
What?
All right, family, let's go.